Hey everybody, welcome to Cameron's Toy Review, and today I'm going to open up my egg surprise. I wonder what's inside. Get it, open. Whoa, what is this? It's a toy, but I don't know what it is.
Are you trying to be like Ryan?
You could get all 32 of these.
What are they, Cam?
They're football things, but I don't know what these things are called. Let's call them footballs. For toy footballs, mini footballs. Yeah. And my guest over here is Mom from Cameron's Family Review. Say hi to the YouTubers.
Hi.
You have to go on here.
I'm good. Hi.
And the other day on Cameron's Family Review, we decided to do, the other day on Cameron's Family Review, we decided to, I don't know, but, no, I'm not done yet. And here is my dog. Yeah, here's my dog, Little Lacers, and I like her because she is so cute. And she's only so cute because she is so tiny. And she's only tiny because she's just a little puppy. Puppers. And bye. Don't forget to subscribe. See you later. Bye. If you like this video, please subscribe. Bye. If you want more Cameron's Toy Review. Bye. Cameron, please subscribe. Bye. Yeah.